Alright, got a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. This works for the 2018 also. I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter. Show you where it's at. It's actually going to be behind your glove box here. Your first step is you're going to want to disconnect the damper that's right here on your glove box, and all you have to do is push it. Okay, push it this way, and then you can disconnect it. Okay, you want to make sure you do this first because you don't want to break it. Your next step after that, you have a tab here and a tab here. You're going to push these things up. This is actually what's holding your glove box from opening up all the way. Push it up. Okay, once you get that, you can lower the glove box all the way. And there's that damper there you don't want to break. You can kind of see on the side here how it's slotted. Alright, okay. So your cabin filter is located in this box here. It has these tabs here that you're going to need to push down to open the door up, okay? Just push down on them. This one was kind of already pushed down. Then you can take the door off, and here's the filter here. If you need a filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box, but we're just going to check this one now and see if I need to order one, which I do. This one is filthy, okay? Filthy, and get your new one and just slide it right back in here. There are arrows here indicating airflow. You want to make sure that you have the airflow arrows pointing down when you get your aftermarket filter, okay? And just reinstall it in the reverse order. This video is kind of geared towards, you know, finding it and how to take it out. I still need to order this guy. So if the video was helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.